Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be working on the Audi A5. We're going to be removing the rear bumper and replacing the rear diffuser here. So these are the tools you're going to need. Apparently so. That's what they say. So let's crack on with it. So you'll pull down here, and then it's like seriously, guys, come on. Yeah. What? So there is a 10mm in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just in here, there's a 10mm. So we're gonna put it on some bar and then go in there. We're gonna put the ratchet on now because it's a bit tight. I don't know if you guys can see this because the cameraman's just like, you know. Once it's loosened off, you can just remove the ratchet and then undo it by hand. Oh, yeah, don't drop the nut down the hole, by the way. It's gonna be, yeah, awkward. Yeah, guys, can you hold that down there, bro? Thanks. You know, makes my life a little bit easier. Ah, there we go. So that's one. Put that over there, safekeeping. And then to remove, we have to remove the headlight to get to the access to the torque T30 in there. So we're going to remove that one. And it's literally just a screwdriver in here, the hole, and just twist in there, just to crack it off enough. Don't know if you guys can see that, as my hands are in the way.
12 seconds later.
So now that's removed, so we just put this somewhere safe, don't lose it. So now this will just pull out, and then there's two rubber nipples, which it says, and that just pulls out. These are the two nipples I was saying about. Two little nipples. Nipples. Everybody likes nipples. Notice if you're a girl watching this and she's a bit, you know, embarrassed of watching it. So there we go. So the headlight's removed. That was there. So T30. So this is the T30 I was talking about. This just undoes, loosens off the bumper. And we just undo.
A few moments later.
So then we need is the T25. It's two. So now we need the T25 to remove the Torx on this around the wheel arch. So we're just going to do that now. There's one on the bottom, and then there's one in the middle, and then one further up the top here. So these are the screws here, 3 Torx, just Torx little screws. So we'll put those safe for that one. I'll need that still. And then there's a few of these Torx screws underneath the back of the car, so we're just going to remove those now. So there's 3 Torx screws. I've took one out already because the camera guy was a bit slow. So this one here, here, and here. And yeah, I don't think there's any more. Oh, there's one meant to be in here, but he doesn't have one. And yeah, should be good. And yeah, should be good to go. We're gonna get on to the other side now. Yeah, so this side is exactly the same as this side. So we're just gonna speed this one up and crack on with it. Cool. slightly. He says. No, this just clips. And then this should just come off. So we'll loosen the other side. Yeah, you're gonna get dirty, guys. Especially in this car. It's not like he doesn't clean it. Yeah, this one's easier. I'm sure you guys are gonna say, no, that's the wrong way of doing it. So there is, I remember, this might need a flat screwdriver to undo the clips. Why does this not seem as easy as your last time? Is this one off? Don't lose those. Just hold there. Right, do the other side. This one's been a bit of a pain. Welcome to the Audi life of complications. There we go. Come down. And just sit that there. And then these clips just come off. Just push clips. Just clip onto the plastic. And we just remove the parking sensors. Very carefully, so you don't break them. Just going to clip here. Yeah, you might have to stop this one. So this bit here comes up, the struggles. Well, yeah, the struggles of life, or a clip. And then you just push in, so then this little lever will just, and then you can just pull it out. Yeah, you can't just put normal clips in. And again, there's another clip on there, here, and there. So I used just a flat blade just to lift those up. Makes it a bit easier. And then push, and off it comes. I don't have long nails. I have to use a screwdriver. Real men don't have nails. This one goes here. Let's move this out a bit there. There's a bit more room. Please move. One more parking sensor. It comes. And then that is the bumper removed. And it's making my floor dirty. Never mind. We're going to now remove the diffuser and we're going to test fit the new one. So we're going to flip this over. So there's a couple of screws, one here, and then there's another one over here, and the rest of it's just clips all the way down, so we've got to push through these. That's it. Should be good to go. that is how you struggle to remove one of these. Right, let's put this away. It's time for that. Okay, there. Oh my days. Dirty. Dirty. You're cleaning this. I don't know why you're sitting there smoking, man. You're cleaning this floor. Look at the state I am. Oh, it's spotless. Literally spotless. So, time to get this one up. Let's do a little test fit. So, now, you see the struggles putting this aftermarket. Where'd you get this from again? We sure it's Poland, isn't it?
Yeah, somewhere there.
Yeah. Maybe they got smaller cars over there, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna have to make some minor changes to how it sits in. Like it doesn't fit in properly. And because we don't want to send it back, and this is budget builds, we're going to make it fit. It's going to look nice. Can't be having it looking. Yeah. So it doesn't fit properly. There's a gap here, a few marks, and again along here, there's a gap. Try and close up. This fits nice here, and then it just a gap down again. But that's on temporary, so now we know what changes we need to make, and we'll go from there. Okay, that's it guys for today. Next episode we're going to be prepping this for the paintwork and fixing the gaps down here. Obviously we can't have gaps like that, it would look awful. So hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next episode.